we're asked to divide 6x plus 6y over y minus x and divide that by 18 over 5x minus 5y. So what's the first step? You flip which one? Yeah, you flip the right fraction, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Keep this one the same. Okay. Now we're going to start factoring. So let's start with 6x plus 6y. What's the GCF? Well, a factor is 3, but there's a greater factor. 6. What does that leave? X plus y. So I get 6 x plus y. And then what about 5x minus 5y? So the GCF is 5, leaving x minus y. Now y minus x there's two ways to think of this. An x minus y over a y minus x, those are actually going to cancel and make a -1. That's how I learned it. But what probably is easier to think about is this in standard form? No, because you want it in alphabetical order, right? So it's better to write this as -x plus y, right? -x plus y. But you don't like negative leading coefficients, so you factor it out. You get negative, and when you factor out a negative, you get x minus y, right? Because when you factor out a negative, it changes the signs. And then 18. You know, 18. Six and 3. And then I could break 6 into 3 and 2. But I'm like, why am I going to break 6 into 3 and 2? Because there's no, there's my 6 that are going to cancel, and 5 and 3, So it's better to just keep it as 6. But you could have done 3 and 2. Alright, so what divides out? The 6. The x minus y. Is that it? So I get 5 x plus y. And I put the 5 in front. It just looks nicer. If you want to distribute the 5 back in and get 5x plus 5y, you could. I like to just keep it like this. And then divided by, what's -1 times 3? -3. Now what some people like to do is they like to take this negative sign and put it out front and get 5x plus y over 3. Okay. So you could take this negative sign and pull it up. It just looks nicer. Technically this is still correct. There really is no standard form. So if you wanted to write it like this or that, it's the same thing. Or you could even bring the negative up to the 5 and you'll get the same thing. Okay?